Hello, I am Tabitha Rabbits, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really chic vision board. One that will actually work and you will love to look at this, and that is pretty much the key and why people make vision boards, because you want to look at your vision board to envision and think about your dreams and of course actually make plans to accomplish them, okay? So, there are 4 steps to making the perfect chic vision board. The first step is that you want to think about what you want and then write it down. So, for me, I actually already wrote mine, but I'm going to write them over in this little book. Ooh. So, write down the things that you want. Okay, so you write the things down, as many as you think you can accomplish in a year. The second thing is that you look on the internet. You can look on the internet like Google, just Google everything. You'll find pictures that will match the things that you want to accomplish within the next year. Okay, so when you find the pictures, you want to print them out. You want to print them out, but before you print the pictures, you need to actually look at the picture frame that you will need. You need a picture frame. My picture frame is this one. As you can see, there are 8 total slots for pictures in this picture frame, and each little slot is actually, it says here, it is 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters. So when I was going to print my pictures, I actually put them on a Microsoft Word document, and then I scaled it down to 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters so that it would fit perfectly into each of these little slots for the pictures. And because there are 8 pictures that can go here, I did 8 goals and I got 8 pictures to fit in each thing. There's landscape and portrait, so I made sure that each picture that I printed was landscape, portrait, and then like a landscape thing, so it would fit into my vision board. So after you print your pictures, the next step is to put them into the picture frame. You cut them out with your scissors, and then you just put them into the picture frame. So that is what I am going to do, so you can watch me. After you put them into the picture frame, the next step is to hang it up somewhere that you know you're going to see it every day. And then when you see it every day, you can really just feel amazing. The point of the vision board is to feel like you already have what you want. So when you look at it, you feel happy, you feel amazing, because when you have this thing that is on your vision board, you will feel so amazing and so great, like this is what you want. You've already accomplished this, it is coming to you. So let's get started with making this vision board. I'm going to cut this out. Okay, this check, it's a blank check that you can print from on the Secret website, and there are two checks, the Secret check and the Magic check. It's kind of the same thing, it's just that the Secret check is red and the Magic check is gold. And since most of the things on my vision board is gold and black and white, I decided to go with this color. So I'm just going to fill this out with my pen. The date that I would like to accomplish this by would be the 31st of December 2021. 2 million. Pay 2 million GBP. The order of Tabitha Roberts. Okay, cool. And I'll put 2 and the 7 zeros. So that'll be, is it 7 zeros or 6 zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Okay, so this is actually the wish list, and this is the finished vision board. You can see everything that I want, and I have these little quotes here saying success. Want is the only prerequisite to getting what you want. Thoughts become things. Act like you are already there. I think these 4 quotes are important. So I want to remember these 4 quotes for the rest of 2021. This is the check that I got from the Secret website, and it's the amount of money that I would like to have by the end of 2021. This is my fashion design that I would like to start. It's just an image that I found online, but I will be wanting to design dresses in this kind of color and the name. This is the 2 Comma Club Award, and I really would like to earn a 2 Comma to achieve. I would really like to achieve a 2 Comma Club Award. If you don't know what that is, Google it. The YouTube subscribers, I would like to get 1 million subscribers by the end of 2021. The wedding, of course, the BMW SUV, and the daughter. This is all that I want, and the vision board is going to help me remember everything. So I really am just super excited for everything on this vision board. And yeah. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Head over to my blog so you can see the written version of this. And I hope you make one, and I hope everything on it comes true. Cheers to a happy and amazing 2021.